All right, let's gear up for this mission, Spartan style. Just like prepping for a battle on a frosty halo ring, putting chains on your tires is all about ensuring maximum traction and control in harsh conditions. We're focusing on a 2006 Nissan Murano, so let's proceed with tactical precision. Step 1. Recon and preparation. Before we drop into the fray, make sure you've got the right equipment. You need tire chains specifically designed for your Murano's tire size. Like selecting the right weapon for the mission, this is crucial. Park your vehicle on a level surface and apply the parking brake. Think of it as setting up your base camp. Step 2. Unsheathing your arsenal. Unpack your tire chains. Each chain is like a piece of armor. It needs to be untangled and laid out flat. Check for any damaged links. You wouldn't go into battle with a damaged MA5, so don't install damaged chains. Step 3. The initial assault. Start with the front tires. Move the chains over the top of the tire, holding the ends. Like deploying a bubble shield, make sure it covers as much of the tire surface as possible. The smooth side of the chain should be against the tire to prevent damage. Think of it as avoiding friendly fire. Step 4. Tactical maneuvering. Push the chains as much under the tire as possible. Now, slowly move your Murano forward a few feet, akin to advancing your position on the battlefield. This exposes the part of the tire that was sitting on the ground. Step 5. Lock and load. Now fasten the chains. This is like locking in your Mjolnir armor. Most chains have a locking mechanism on the outer side of the tire. Ensure it's tight and secure. It should feel like a firm handshake with a fellow Spartan. Solid, but not overly tight. Step 6. Final checkpoint. Drive a short distance, then hop out and do a quick inspection. Like checking your HUD for any system anomalies. Make sure the chains are secure and haven't loosened. Adjust if necessary. Step 7. Know your terrain. Remember, with chains, your your Murano, is now equipped for icy and snowy terrains. But don't push it beyond its limits. Keep your speed low, like when you're sneaking up on a group of unsuspecting grunts. And there you have it. With your tire chains fitted, you're ready to face the winter as confidently as Master Chief faces a Covenant armada. Stay vigilant, Spartan, and drive safely.